Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and opening the power menu. Hold the power button briefly. This brings up the reboot, power off, and assistant options. If Gemini appears as a press and hold action, make sure you press for about 5 to 2 seconds rather than a quick tap. Once the menu is visible, check whether the Google Assistant or Gemini entry shows a toggle or settings gear. If you don't see Gemini, proceed to the next step to find the system mapping. You now change the button mapping to stop launching Gemini. Go into Settings and navigate to Apps or System Shortcuts. Different MIUI versions place this under Default Apps or Buttons. Find the entry labeled Press and Hold Power or Long Press Power, then tap it to view choices. Choose None, Power Menu, or another safe action that won't trigger Gemini. Make sure to confirm the change, otherwise the previous behavior persists. Once changed, test the long press to verify Gemini no longer opens. You finish by verifying the behavior and fixing issues if needed. Long press the power button. The power menu should appear without Gemini. If Gemini still launches, open Google App right arrow settings right arrow Google Assistant and disable voice or hardware activation, then retest. If that fails, clear cache and data for the Google App or Assistant service, reboot the phone and try again. If problems persist, update MIUI and Google Apps. Sometimes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.